Okay, Gretchen, I guess there will be some training today if you happen to see this Facebook chat. We're in Inventory Lab, and over here are open batches. These are what we're getting ready to ship to Amazon. Now, I basically separate those out into two categories. The one we're going to work on now is stuff that I'm sending from here. And then the other kind is going to be stuff that I send over to the prep company. So right now we're going to be working on this kind. When you set up one of these, I don't like dates. I like to put in here kind of what's in the order. Maybe these are fence links and pea pellets and some garden thing. And I always private. I always label all my own items, and for now, small parcel delivery. So that's how you set it up. And then we just start adding stuff to it. Now, I like to do it right after I've ordered, because I don't have to go back and look for stuff. So I ordered 2 things here, 10 of each. There was shipping on this item. So what I do is I add the shipping cost to each individual item to kind of get a per unit item. So if we're going to start with this one, then it cost me $3.49. But adding 50 cents shipping, this one really costs $3.99. So what we need is the ASIN from Amazon. And let's see, we don't have it. So I go like this. I go back to email and put this in. We'll get the E. We will get the ASIN. And that's the easiest way I found to search for this on Inventory Lab. So we go back here, add an item. Oh yeah, up here is where we search. So we put in the ASIN, search, and there it is. That's the thing. So one of these 10. The item is $3.99 per purchase today, which is the 11th. And it was a Blaine's Farm and Fleet. We'll add that. Okay. And 10 of the items, $3.99 per. And then we just click... there should be a spot to just click. We just confirmed that we're going to be doing this FBA. So we're going to just click add to batch. Then we're going to go to the second one, which I discovered I'm actually losing money on. I should have used the FBA calculator before I bought it, but live and learn. So going back to here, it's this. So this is $3.99 plus 50. The cost of this is going to be $4.49. And let's find the ASIN on Amazon. It's this thing right here. And there's the ASIN. So we'll search by that. Whoop. I moved that up. Let me get Inventory Lab back. Okay, put the ASIN up here, search, that's it, about 10 at $4.44, and the date was there, about Flame Farms, see, I'm losing money. Now I could choose to list it at one of these prices. So just kind of as purpose of illustration, let's see how many this guy has at $7.98 and $8. Let's see how many of them there are. First of all, I never want to list something that's fulfilled by Amazon.com. That's a disaster, because you can hardly ever beat them. This guy's only got a 67% positive rating. I'm not too concerned about him. This guy here is a potential problem. So what we do is we add 999 to the cart and then see how many it says we can buy. That's how you find out how much the guy has in inventory. No. 999. Well, we'll just do 888. I've heard that this doesn't work anymore. It looks like you can only buy 10. So I could probably drop down on this one. I think when I bought this, these two people didn't show. It was like this one. So let's just for now take that one. I'm still losing money. Anyhow, we click add to batch, and that's it. So when you see things like this, and it's being shipped to either my house here, or it's being shipped to Montana, like this one, you'll know that it needs to be put into Inventory Lab. And again, things you're going to want to watch out for are the per item price, which you get by, now if there was sales tax in here, and shipping, we'd have to, add those two together and divide by 20 to figure out how much extra we got to add per unit. So in this case, there was no sales tax. That's why, by the way, I can send it here. If there is sales tax and I can't get around it, I send it to Montana because there's no sales tax in Montana. So that's how those two and why they get separated out. So that's just basically how we put things in Inventory Lab.